Did you know that you can enable desktop notifications for Gmail on your Windows PC? And I'm going to show you how easy it is to do so on your computer. So once you're here, guys, you want to ensure that you sign into your Gmail, then click on the settings on the upper right hand side here, then click on see all settings. Now under the general section here, you want to scroll all the way down, guys, till where you'll find a section that says desktop notifications, right? You can click here to enable desktop notifications for your Gmail, right? And here you can see it gives you a bunch of options, right? You can do it for new emails, or basically you can do important mails notification as well. So you want to select the one that you want to, right? You can click here, as it says, click here to enable the notification for Gmail. So you click on that, and here, guess what? You have the option to allow it. Now, once you go ahead and allow this, guess what? You will now start to receive those email notifications on your computer. How amazing is that? That's all there is to it. So you turn on that notification option here, and then all you have to do is just choose between which option you want right here, whether it's for important emails or basically new emails. And that's all there is to it. You have a section here where it says notification sound. You can have the welcome sound, you can have the nudge, you can just choose whatever you want right here. But that's amazing feature, right? So I'm gonna leave it with the welcome, but that's it, guys. That's how easy it is.